My name is Phil Rosno. I am the director of the Hastings office for Catholic Social Services of Southern Nebraska. Our agency covers south central to southwestern Nebraska, covers about 22 counties. So we cover not just Hastings, we're covering Adams County, Clay County, Webster County, Nuckolls County. We also serve outlying counties farther west. So we're really trying to get food out to people in need and try to help us out as much as possible. Many times people don't know what we do. They don't see the full scope of what we do. So coming in to get an experience, just to come in to find out what we do, that would be a great place to start. We have a food recovery program, we have a St. Gianna's West program, we have our sack lunch program, we have our thrift store, and we have a baling operation for recycled clothes and items like that. Some of the challenge that we face is that there's always more need than there is resources available. With COVID happening about 6 months ago, it's really changed the way we operate so that we do the best that we can with the resources we have to help as many people as possible. And our food recovery program is we distribute about 200 tons of food each year, and that has not changed. We're still offering food to people. We are distributing food to 15 or 17 different food pantries around south central Nebraska. Our volunteers are the lifeblood of our organization. Until 2019, we had about over 11,000 hours of service from volunteers. And that's what makes our ability to reach out and help so many people, that's what makes it happen. Our volunteers have a wide variety of duties. They can do sorting, they can meet with our public, they can be in the back room, they can be a cashier, they could be a driver taking food to other communities. There's just so many ways that you can help out, so don't be afraid that there won't be something that you can do. There's always something that we can have.